digital weighing instrument GMT-H4 with 4 independent load cell channels is easy to operate, intelligent, efficient, safe, and user-friendly. Let's see the difference between the traditional weighing instrument and 4-channel weighing instrument. The traditional weighing system is composed of several load cells, which are connected to the weighing instrument through a junction box. The angular difference adjustment needs repeated adjustments by experienced professionals to reach the balance. GMT-H4 digital weighing instrument with 4 channels directly connected to the weighing platform. No need professional technician, just few steps to complete the weighing system angular difference adjustment, which is simple, fast, and convenient. The traditional weighing instrument systems can only balance the load cell force relying on experience to adjust the base or mounting level as much as possible, which is very difficult to guarantee the equalization. If the load cell under the long-term uneven force, it might be damaged and leads to safety problem of weighing system. GMT-H4 solves the problem of force adjustment of multiple load cells by automatically judging the force on each load cell and intelligently suggesting that the mounting height of a certain load cell needs to be adjusted, which is intelligent, precise, and efficient. Conventional weighing systems only indicate OFL for all kinds of potential safety hazards, which requires professional technician to troubleshoot on site. Compared with the conventional weighing system, digital weighing system is capable to process each load cell signal, realizing the functions of unbalanced load judgment, installation-based subsidence judgment, load cell damage or failure of wiring judgment and reminder, and emergency use when the load cell damaged. It is intelligent, safe, and convenient.